There's a ribbon in the sky, painting rivers on the moonlight. Moving pictures say the words of a story that begins.
Ay, kuha. Susayangan feature yun. Pwede yung isa nito mag-sleep. May namin extra mga
Ba? Ako sabutan si Kalil Earl din. Kaya mga weekend.
Mag-uno rin may ganito. So, ito minit.
Mainit na sa unahan.
Sila pala yung walang salita.
2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Cute.
Hello.
Thank you.
Rice book.
Hello Twinklers! We're here in Dahilan Forest Park. Currently, nandito kami sa parang resto nila kasi nagla-lunch pa yung mga kasama namin. Kanya kasi after ng church, dumiretso kami sa Frankie's to have our lunch with Khalil's family. And then sila Ate Jamie and mga person, pinick up nila ako dun sa Frankie's. So wala pa silang lunch. I'll wait for them. Hindi mo na ako nag-order kasi nga katapos lang namin mag-lunch. And later, baka pa kami, mag-coffee shop hopping. Doon na lang ako order ng food. Earl, what can you say daw about the food? Good. Anong comment mo?
Masarap siya, guys. Try nyo. Punta na kayo dito sa Dayline, guys.
What do you want to order?
What did you order?
Crispy fish fillet.
And?
It was good. Because I'm hungry.
Ang cookie mo vlog.
That was Earl, Vince, at saka Alter. And this is Ate Jamie. Alter's mom. Busy sa pagpo-phone.
Diet ko lang. Okay, when you ice cream. Wow, is that
Viulalu?
Bulalo ka mami.
Kano? Itong mag... Basta na siya sa ubos.
Isa na siya og ka ng wristband. Masisi ka? Ayan po.
No ticket, no entry. So these are their rules. Sorry.
Jumping na rin na.
Thank you. So the panda is waiting for us. So was the horse over here.
Dito ka naman sa Dayline.
Ayun.
Hey, Vince, no!
Shem. Where, Lord Jesus? Sige, kama. Oh my gosh! Ako yung reason ng anong ganaan na siya. This is scary. Oh, Mama Jesus.
Go,
Tagal, taas mo.
Our next stop is the bumper boat here. Look. Yeah, we're here. So this would be our second stop.
Pinahigda niya, pinahigda. Dahil, puro sa langit. Puro sa langit.
That was a fun experience. I love it. Like it was like I'm driving so pro. It was so fun. And now we're heading to, I think, go-kart. And we have to walk like a lot more steps pa. Hinihingal ako. Here. Hinihingal ako, guys. Super hingal. Look!
Gravitational cart lang siya.
Yung sa daw,
Basta
stop
bawal
ano.
na siya na. Always ang nakingani, tapos break.
Okay.
Orientation mo kayo muna.
Razorback, dito ako pasabot kayo.
Sa una kay pushing pull din siya.
Yeah, gani di ba ako?
Karon eh, nakingani na, tapos break lang.
Kumana dahil siya kuya.
Bawal na siya na ma'am. Ano lang permit, tapos break lang. Ikaw lang dahil-
Mas tough kung ma-front siya kuya.
Dili.
Masa man siya?
Ay kung nakingani siya, pusog na siya madagan, tapos layo na yun sa inyo.
Pero pag if ever maanit naman siya, ang iyang break makakupit man gyapon dili. Okay.
Layo na yun sa inyo ma'am, tapos paalam dahil siya para mas dali mo siya ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Madlock ka! Let's go! Oh my Jesus! Woo! Gonna be a chill ride for me. We're on a trail. That's so fun! Go! Next up, go-kart! Look at them! Look at them, look at them. Woo! What a chill ride!
Ah, gabi. May pinakahag sa talang road so far.
Pili ko pa maulan ko after yan eh.
Ako sabi yung pumaulan sa Kubay.
And patched up a crack in the Liberty Bell. Seeing his duty clear. When he came home, his father taking that night. Don't leave me, I'll get up in my house, and this is what the senator said.
Hala, on po lang sa...
I-open lang sa ano. Pag melt ni no. Ano ba siya ka ng pag open sa pineapple, i-blend siya na rin sa. May butang nga lang siya milk.
Tuwa mo.
Try na niya? Amin na?
Life's too short, let's leave a mark. We don't know how it goes, how the story